Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase click-through rate with Nike affiliate program, full guide step by step clearly. To increase your click-through rate with the Nike affiliate program, begin by understanding your audience. Research your target demographic to tailor your content accordingly. Create engaging, high-quality content that resonates with your audience's interests. Incorporate relevant keywords related to Nike products in your content for SEO optimization. Utilize eye-catching visuals that showcase Nike products effectively. Write compelling calls to action that encourage your audience to click your affiliate links. Position your affiliate links strategically within your content to make them easily accessible. Use social media platforms to share your content, increasing visibility and reach. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions to build trust. Monitor your performance through analytics tools to understand what works best. Experiment with different types of content, such as reviews, comparisons, or tutorials. Consider seasonal promotions and Nike sales in your content to create urgency. Leverage email marketing to keep your audience informed about new content and Nike promotions. Join online communities and forums to share your expertise and link back to your content. Always stay updated with the latest trends and releases from Nike to maintain relevance. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and performance metrics to continuously improve. With commitment and creativity, you can effectively increase your click-through rate within the Nike affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.